The bird who gave milk. Tarla, a poor man, worked in the fields with his wife. One day, they made the field ready for sowing and left. The next morning, the field was as before, so they had to dig again. The third day, again, the field appeared untilled. Tarla stayed back that night. He saw a beautiful bird settled on the bush where he was hiding, which began singing to the field to turn around. And the field turned around. Tarla was about to kill it when the frightened bird promised to give him and his family a lot of milk if he let it live on. Tarla told the bird first to have the field turned around, ready for sowing. The bird did that. Then Tarla placed the bird into a bag and carried it home. Tarla took care of the bird, and daily it gave a lot of milk, which Tarla and his family drank heartily. They became healthy. When the villagers asked about the secret of their health, Tarla distributed the milk to them also, and they were overjoyed.